Hi, this is Sean Oakes, and I wanted to show you my new simple invention that you can make out of any piece of metal from a hardware store to create a slidable and grindable curb anywhere. And it's very simple, but I'll show you the concept and I'll show you how it works. So if you live in an area like I do where all you have are these crappy curbs that are nice but not grindable, so what you do is you use a double-sided adhesive type tape. Typically they work better when it's 50 degrees or warmer, and it's winter here, so it's been certainly below 50 for the last several months. What I've been doing is using Velcro to connect it. I also have these joints that go into the divots if it's something like heavy duty, but this works very well. Today actually is 50 degrees, and so I'm excited to see the durability, make sure it doesn't keep falling off. But this is a great way to enhance any area for better skating. So these are the two products that I've been experimenting with. This is the double adhesive tape. It was $5. It's 15 feet. I used like 2-3 inches, one on this end, one in the middle, and one at the very other side. The other option again is this Velcro. Comes with two different sides, of course, so that it works. And this is also extremely durable from what I've experienced. So I'm excited to see how long I can keep doing tricks without having it fall off. So that's how it connects. It basically has Velcro on each side. And then this tape here in the middle, ironically, fits and sticks just right. You just take it, just place it right on top, like this, step on it a little, and you got yourself a really nice slidable, grindable curb. So the durability definitely works. Much better in the warmer weather. You can put this anywhere. It certainly takes tons less effort than waxing.